Hey guys, welcome back to Carrosserie Prisme. Today there's three things I want to show you. First of all, we're going to jump right into it. We're going to go see the Dodge Grand Caravan. You know the car that I showed you with a little dent on the side and the rust on the hood? Well, the hood wasn't there, but still I told you there was rust. So we'll go check that out. Then we have, I'm going to go talk to you guys a little for the Bmw 440i that we saw last time, the black one with the scratches on the side. And finally, we're gonna go have a look at an XC90, a Volvo XC90. That one we're gonna have a look at it. It was a little hood warranty damage, so we'll go check that out. So let's jump right in, follow me inside. Okay guys, here we have the Dodge Caravan that we checked out last time in the last video. So you remember from the footage that we took last time, here on the side we had a big dent and a lot of rust. So all this is fixed. Now we put a little primer part in there. It's all going to be sanded down and it's all going to be painted in a couple of minutes soon. So basically this part here looks like brand new. The part here in front was all rusted all around here, the edge. So what we did, same thing, we fixed it. We put a little primer part. Now all we have to do is sand it down, and plus we have to paint the surface. So we'll get you on this. You guys will see the footage of the painting and the sanding and everything. Catch you back. Okay guys, so about the Bmw 440 that we saw in the last video, unfortunately we didn't have time, we were short on time, the stuff was running too fast for us. We didn't have time to get the footage of the Bmw 440 getting painted. So what we're gonna do is that instead of that, we're gonna show you the final footage of it, and you guys would see how the paint looks very nice on the car. You guys would see how it was done very in a professional way. Normally, I promise you guys, we'll do our best. We'll take the pictures of everything we do. You guys would see the videos of the car is getting painted. I know it's very nice to see that. Me too, I really like it, seeing the cars being painted. It's very satisfying. So for that, let's jump right into the footage and you guys would see that right away. Okay guys, this XC90 was hit right here on the hood. We got a little hood repair. This is a little warranty job that we're doing right now. So basically, if you come closer here, you can see like a little line that's passing right here. I'll just go ahead with my finger. So it's right about here, okay? So the problem with this one is, I don't know really what happened, but something banged on the hood and the whole front part of the hood here just like was pushed downwards. So basically the hood was going straight like this and it was going right away down. That's not what we want. We want it to be straight like this, like in the factory. So we took out the bumper to fix this thing better, and that's what it looks like for now. Obviously we have to bring it up to perfection. We have to sand it down and probably repaint it a little. So we'll catch you back on that. I'll show you the footage of how it was before. And obviously I'll show you the footage after of the painting and the sanding and whatever. Okay guys, it's the end of this video. Thank you all for watching. Please, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and press on the bell notifications to get notification when you drop a brand new video. Guys, I really appreciate when you follow video to video to know what's happening to the cars, like the Grand Caravan, like the BMW, video after video, knowing what's gonna happen. Of course, us here from Carrosserie Prisme will try to do better videos, better suiting with better cars, things that you guys want to see. So please let us know in the comments what you guys want to see, and we'll do our best to make that happen. Thank you and have a great day.